Hey everyone, Sony Headphones Connect app not detecting your WH1000XM6. This guide covers the essential checks and fixes to restore proper device recognition and connectivity. Update the Sony Headphones Connect app and restart your phone. Remove and repair the WH1000XM6 in Bluetooth settings to refresh the connection. Make sure Bluetooth and location permissions are turned on for the app so it can detect the headset properly. Finally, consider resetting the headphones. Why Sony app not detecting WH1000XM6 headphones? Outdated firmware or app versions, corrupted pairing information, background system errors, improper Bluetooth or app permissions. Fix 1. Check Bluetooth device. Sometimes the headset may not enter into the pairing mode automatically. Manually enable the power button for 7 seconds to enable Bluetooth. Place the device within 1 meter of the headphones and ensure both are charged. Press the power button on the left ear cup to turn on the headphones. If first time pairing, they enter pairing mode automatically. If not first time, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 7 seconds until the blue light flashes twice and you hear pairing. On mobile devices, if headphones is inactive for a long period of time, the Bluetooth might disabled automatically or there might be an communication error and restarting the Bluetooth settings is required. Swipe down the quick settings on Android and control panel on Apple. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on. If already enabled, tap on it to disable it, wait for a few seconds and enable it. Fix to update the Sony Connect app and the handset. Outdated apps may not detect new or updated headphones firmware causing detection failure. To update Sony Connect app, open the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Sony Headphones Connect and tap Update if available. To update headset firmware, open Sony Connect app and select My Devices. From the dashboard, you will see a pop-up notice or a banner displayed at the bottom. Click on it and follow on-screen instructions to update the firmware. Alternatively, tap Update Software from the dashboard and follow the on-screen instructions to start the update. Fix 3. Restart your device and headset. Restarting clears temporary system or Bluetooth stack error that may block app device communication. Fully power off your smartphone, wait 10 seconds and turn it back on. For iOS, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power slider appears, then drag the slider to turn off. After the screen goes black, press and hold the side button again to turn the iPhone back on. For Android, press and hold the power button or power plus volume up or lock on some models until the power menu appears, then tap restart or power off. If powered off, press and hold the power button again or the lock or volume to turn it back on. Now reconnect to your headphones via Bluetooth before reopening the app. Fix 4. Remove and re-add the headset. Removing and re-adding the headphones clears any corrupted or outdated Bluetooth pairing data, which may prevent the Sony app from detecting the headset correctly. Step 1. Remove headset from Sony Connect app. Open Sony Connect app and tap on My Device. At the bottom left of the screen, select Go to My Device, tap 3 dots near your headset and select Device Information. Select Delete icon at the top right of the screen. Step 2. Remove and re-add on mobile device. On iOS, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Find WH1000XM6 under My Device. Tap the I icon next to it. Then tap Forget this device. Again, go to Bluetooth settings and tap WH1000XM6 when it appears to pair. On Android, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, tap the gear icon or 3 dot next to WH1000XM6, then select Unpair or Forget. Go to Bluetooth settings, tap Pair New Device and select WH1000XM6 to connect. Step 2. Re-add headset on Sony Connect app. Open Sony Connect app and the app will begin automatic search for headphones. If it takes more time than usual, click Search from Bluetooth settings, select the headset from the list. Fix 5. Check app permission. The Sony Headphone Connect app need Bluetooth permission to search for and connect to your WH1000X M6. Without it, the app cannot communicate with the headphones. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then go to Bluetooth and make sure the switch next to Headphone Connect is turned on. On Android, go to Settings, then App, then go to Headphone Connect, then Permissions and confirm Bluetooth and location access are both allowed. Fix 6. Try wired connection. If your app unable to device from Bluetooth settings, connect the headset using cable and check again. Connect your phone to headphone using audio cable. Make sure L-shape plugged into the phone. Connect other end to the input jack on the left ear cup. Open Sony Connect app and select Next. The app will begin automatically search. Select Search for wire headphones from the list. Select the headset from the list. Fix 7. Reset the headphone. Soft reset. This clears minor software bugs or pairing error without erasing your saved devices. Connect the headphones to power using the original USB Type-C cable. While charging, press and hold the Power Plus NC or AMB noise cancelling or ambient sound button together for 5 seconds. The charging light will turn off and then back on, confirming the reset. Step 8. Reset headset. Resetting your Sony WH1000X headset can help resolve fast battery drain issues by clearing temporary software glitches or misconfiguration that affect power management. Use the supplied USB Type-C cable and connect to it to a USB AC adapter plugged into a power outlet. The headset will reset, the charging indicator will turn off briefly and then light up again. While charging, press and hold the power button and the NC or A and B button together for about 5 seconds. Fix 9. Initialize the headphones. Factory reset. Initialization erases all old connection and corrupted settings that may block app detection, providing a fresh start. Turn off the headphones, hold the Power Plus custom NC or AMB button for 10 seconds until the indicator flashes 4 times blue. The headphones are now reset to factory defaults. Repair them with your phone and open the app. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.